This is Randy Blaza. I live in Fulton, Missouri, and I put this porch on. I put this screened-in porch on. I added the porch and the carport about 10 years ago when I remodeled this house, but decided we'd like to be outside, not affected by insects, so we decided to screen it in. We found your advertising on Facebook. The cost was kind of a little expensive, but the final product is well worth it. It looks real good. It was not hard to put up. The screens are taut. Overall, I'm real happy with the project. Show the inside too. I haven't finished the inside yet. Still have that to do. The inside, the finish is real nice. Was real happy. The screens are nice and taut. And it was a fine job.